Hey everybody, it's Alex Hammer here of Hammer's Highlights, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use a green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. Tutorial. So I have Premiere open, I've got a project open. Your project might look a little bit different than mine does right now. It depends on what workspace, what windows you have open. I right now am open to the effects workspace, as you can see right here, but it's all a matter of preference and what layouts you like. I personally like this layout. So over in this left hand corner box is all the stuff that you're going to need for the project. For this tutorial, all I need is the video and the background. So right here I have our video. This is my friend Sean. You can check him out on YouTube at Come Along with Sean. I'll put the link in the description. He does all kinds of theme park videos and news updates. We have a lot of fun making those. So I'm going to take this video of Sean, I'm going to drag that into our timeline, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the video file. The video file is that light blue line on the top. I'm going to drag that up, and what that allows us to do is now put the background in beneath the video. So we could put the background behind our subject. So for the background, I just got this universal background. We make a lot of videos about universal. I'm going to drag that also into the timeline, again, beneath the video. And now what we're gonna wanna do is search in the effects for Ultra Key. Ultra Key is the effect that gets rid of the green screen. So you'll see it comes up. And now with every effect, what you do is you drag that directly onto the video. Now, once you drag it onto the video, you're gonna go over to Effect Controls, and now you'll notice there's this whole drop-down menu for Ultra Key. These are all the settings that affect the effect. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is set the key color. That's the color that the computer recognizes it has to get rid of. So we're gonna take this handy eyedropper tool that Premiere gives us and just click on it, and then we click on the green color that's the background, and now you'll notice that gets rid of most of it. Once we have that set, there's a couple little things we'll have to do. In this particular case though, what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to make Sean bigger, which I could do by double clicking on him and dragging out the edges. And the good thing about doing this, I'm just going to bring it down, is it gets rid of the rest of the room. We could also make the background a little bit bigger, which I can do by clicking on scale and then also dragging those edges right there. I like having the background behind it so I could see how well the key is working, so I could see if there's certain shadows or certain irregularities of color, but this looks pretty good. Now, I would potentially want to mess around with some of these settings in the drop-down menu for Ultra Key. I usually will change around pedestal. I like bringing that from the 10 it starts you with to 100. You might notice that gets rid of a good amount of shadow. I'll also go into cleanup and I'll take the contrast and bring that up. I'll take the midpoint and bring that up. These are things I like to do, but it's a lot of trial and error. Transparency, you'll notice, does a lot of the heavy lifting, and shadow. You'll want to just kind of click and drag those numbers until you get the desired effect, until you have your subject looking like they are actually in front of the background. But yeah, that to me looks pretty good. That's how you use the Ultra Key in Premiere Pro. That's how you get rid of a green screen. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. If you're looking for any music or video production tips, again, let me know in the comments down below, and be sure to subscribe for more Tutorial Tuesdays. I'm Alex Hammer of Hammer's Highlights. See you soon.